You guys actually gonna be uploading this?
I don't know. That's a question for David.
There we go.
I heard that. On the way to Noah's, Angel, say hi.
Bye.
I guess. I really don't know how to start this one off. Trip to the Oregon coast. So far, we've had a person turn out sick, and
we're delayed by like 2 hours, almost.
Yep. We're gonna have multiple cameras this time, and not just one, and we're gonna spread them throughout the cars and see how that goes. Hopefully, nobody breaks one.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. But yeah, we should have radios too.
Yeah, once we meet with the others.
The boys, let's go! Trying to get over
We'll be taking I-5 all the way to I-205, so we won't need to have directions.
There's
1 lane left.
Let's go to Seattle, right?
Moving 1 lane left. I love how everybody just moves in unison.
Like switching lanes, just for fun.
Just doing it. Just
moving left again.
Are you kidding me? All 4 cars all at once.
White tires.
The dark blue one is a Ford Model A.
We checked the license plate. It's like an older license plate.
Those are so bouncy. It's not even fun.
This poor Denali, we passed him. He's been holding a grudge for like the past 30 minutes. We just passed him and just all went in front of him. What the heck? Oh. We went to the right lane, and then Malik came, and then everybody back.
We need to record it.
He's going in front of the Denali! Heck yeah!
That's a little bit of karma.
Roger this. The semi-truck has moved in front of the Denali. Yes!
Oh god.
Oh.
He's gonna be
That guy's gonna be so mad. He's being blocked by 3 others too. Oh man.
Charlie Macy, over.
Oh Noah.
Angel.
Hello. Oh no, Malik! No!
Fully aligned, over.
Battle of the cameras. Battle of the cameras.
You know what? The cameraman never dies.
I didn't get any of the fentanyl people. So
You didn't need to.
So you lost some content. How are we enjoying it today, Nicholas?
Oh man, that's great, dude.
Oh yeah? Ice cream? Ice cream? Ice cream.
If you want, there's some snacks inside or something like that, so we can partially resupply. Just an idea.
What we got here, Malik?
Peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream, dang. I think Noah's done. I think Noah's ready to leave. This building is just so cool. We have a Noah for scale. Yeah, how big is the building compared to Noah? And keep in mind, Noah is very tall.
Noah is very cool.
Yeah, what are we looking at, like 10 feet?
Oh, you are taller.
That's what you need for something like that.
You guys have insurance, right? Right? You guys gotta have insurance. I need to borrow it.
Obviously, they're not here. I was trying to pass.
Subaru, hey buddy! How you doing back there? Wanna join us? corner.
Turn at 6th. We are coming here. There's the Dutch Bros on the right.
All right. There we go. There we go. That actually wouldn't be a bad note. Malik's like, whoa! This has been sitting in the back of the shed for like X amount of time.
I'm just doing B-roll of the cooktop right now.
Alright, now my buddy and I used to always light fires on the side of our house and cook frozen chicken nuggets. So I learned how to use one of these really well.
Hey,
Just
dude,
scrape
if
all
there's
the
a
shit
will,
off.
there's a way.
Yeah, until our parents found burnt material and they're like, "Are you lighting fires on the side of our houses?" It's like, Alright, well this one's
With great
really
ferro rod comes great chicken nugget cooking ability.
No.
Let me just scrape that coating off.
Oh, wait a minute. It doesn't, you know, okay, you're doing it hard. I was like,
Yeah.
are you doing it hard or not?
Caught Nicholas with wood in his hand at camp already. It's been like 30 minutes.
Yep.
World record. Post up. B-roll. Stay still.
It's firewood. Okay. Yeah. Seems all the sticks like.
I guess we need put the whole fucking box. Put the box of Kleenex in there.
Yeah, because we just need something that'll light easy but sustain the fire, like tinder. There we go.
That
Fire's lit up again.
I heard that was spicy.
Look at those. Look at those clean rotors. Some liberal soft boy sissy hand rotors right there.
Or someone who's worked their ass off.
Someone.
You took that one a little personally. We cooking. Oh yeah, looking good. Fire's looking mighty fine too. How's it going, Noah? How does it smell down there?
Pretty good, yeah. Just this is my first time cooking on a campfire, actually.
Very
Sorry,
nice.
that one's a little mangled, but
It's all good. As long as it ain't mine, I'm happy.
thinking what we'll do is we'll just use one of these. We can just use this pan.
Another cooking method we got going on.
David, well, I'm just gonna
Very
put it on
nice.
this pan since it's not being used for anything.
Man, it smells so fucking
Once you're done, we're gonna put
I'll just report you.
No, not yet.
Ew.
Whose head is that?
Yo, how does this work?
Is this a camera?
Why can I see myself?
Because it has like the
Oh,
it's
both
mirroring.
ways.
Yeah, yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah.
This is like a
Pretty
$100 tent.
Got the fake Lay's chips that actually are kind of balling.
They look
They're
like
kind of great.
they look like super micro McDonald's French fries.
They do. Let's steal for a few of those. What are you cooking over here, That'll happen.
Oh, just drop it. I don't know what the fuck happened to this one. It'll be fine. It's just a little messed up. It's short.
Yeah, that'll be
nice.
Sorry, Noah.
Egg?
Sure, thank you.
B-egg?
The egg.
B-egg.
Like we're going, I can watch the percentage go down. Like it's like you have 14 minutes.
I mean,
left
so
in this.
far it's got pretty good draw. Like it's not being that bad,
No, and I don't.
especially for a $66 pack. You said.
Yeah, nothing's really getting too warm.
How hot is the battery?
Oh, it's cold, dude. Oh, it's actually kind of warm.
We could eat lunch.
You know, like we're pulling 100.
Yeah, like it's
we're
lukewarm.
pulling 100 amps at a time.
Yeah.
So. 701. We got everybody get the noise stuff.
Well, now the Frizz is the lead.
Lincoln City is known for its traffic problems because it's very long but very narrow. So this is the main street of Oregon, 101. come through here and I'll get a roller of you.
Rub tunes with them.
I know, like, what? Right lane ends.
Oh, it's like the one lane.
You got a 6th gear. You guys are back in the business of being sons of bitches. Yeah, they sure are.
A lot of fog. A lot of she fog. She fog. I see fog.
In my case, it's 2.
It's beautiful, too. I enjoyed my hike up there that I did a while back.
Thanks, guys. I wonder how many engine blocks they have in there. Oh no, typical Volkswagen driver. Now I gotta flip them off.
Hold on. I can only assume that pickup truck driver was wondering what the fuck's going on.
We going ATV rental? Ivan, ATV rental? ATV rental?
ATV rental.
ATV rental?
ATV rental.
It look like fun. Alright, we are done with ATV riding and are gonna go to restaurant of some sort. Food? Any kind of food.
Anything. That was very fun.
Yeah.
We have to get people on stock multiple times.
Yeah. We had people lost.
I wasn't lost. I just wasn't around.
I don't know if I want to walk the distance.
Hello!
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, neat. Malik looking all emotional and looking like.
More like an orca.
Yeah, that's probably.
Hamburger. What do you mean by hamburger? As a racial slur, hamburger. Headed north, right, Noah? Affirmative. Diesel, you better move over.
I better move over.
Joel, move over.
Alright. Not moving
Joel, I
over.
said move over.
You're just gonna stay here for a bit.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted rolling shots, Noah. Okay.
Coming in hot.
It's also time consuming. There we go. The thing is, he saw us pass him, so it's like, why is it a surprise?
I was wondering why he had so much space. There's 2 bikes up ahead.
Nice. The bridge to the bitch. All the log dust. Yeah.